Caulfield, Hizon, Locsin, Aquino para sa Ginebra San Miguel. San Miguel Beer, West de la Cruz, Kaidig, Asaytono. Dr. J, ano ba yun? Pusoy ba yun? Upok ba yun na tinatago mo yung baraha mo? Dito mukhang labas lahat ng baraha. Maaga pa lang.
Power. At the same time, both imports will probably play the point guard position for their squads. Yan ang sinasabi natin. Of course, Jaworski also using a big lineup, hoping to use maybe the quickness of Hizon when he is being guarded by Alan Kaidik.
Ang open tip napunta sa mga kulang San Miguel Beer. Sila po'y naglaro ng walang legitimate. Si Franz Pomare na re-injure yung sarili niya and doubtful starter niya. At least, baka itong buong conference na ito, Dr. J, tapos na siya.
Yeah, well, sayang nga kay Franz. But they do have a Frankie Lim, like I mentioned. Of course, he may not be able to play many minutes, especially kung kaya ni Lamont Strotters to be able to carry the ball up. You know, magkakaroon ng konting problema kung may pressure sa backcourt yan. Nako, yan ang maagang dalawang foul ni Hizon. Medyo nagkainitan sila, tumalbog si Strotters. Alam naman natin, yun nangyari kay Strotters yung pre-season game kontra Mobileye, no?
Mainit na mainit agad sa umpisa pa lang. Yan ang binabayaran ng tao kapag basketball ang pinanonood.
Pero mali si Hizon doon.
Hinatak niya.
Yeah, he has committed 2 fouls. He's a very important player on this squad. And right now, he already has 2 fouls. Jaworski is happy at all. Kita mo kay obligado siyang palitan ni Gayoso.
Mabilis, mabilis sa adjustment.
Player.
Ito, dalawang players lang gumugulong sa sahig. Asaytono, natapik ni Caulfield. Alan Kaidik, 3. First 3-point, triple B. What a way to start the ball game, Dr. J.
Well, even in the game against Sankis, magandang shooting ni Alan sa first quarter. Ang importante yung kanyang shooting in the third and fourth quarter at saka yung kanyang depensa. Not only defensive rebound.
Tandaan po ninyo, ang San Miguel Beer nananalo. Meron silang winning record against Ginebra. In fact, sa last 5 months, hindi pa tinatalo ng Ginebra ang San Miguel. 5 puntos na itatala ng San Miguel Beer kontra sa Ginebra.
Well, today, I would like everybody to know that it's also the birthday of Coach Norman Black. Kaya nga obligadong maglaro ang mga para sa kanya. Ay, hindi ko rin at sa kanina ko. Birthday rin niya. Si Norman Black, inaasahan niya maglaro rin niya dahil birthday niya.
November po panahon ng mga nagbe-birthday at mukhang dito sa maaga pa natin na quarter San Miguel Beer at nagbe-birthday.
Ito na.
8 puntos. Dr. J, pag ibang coaches, pipindutin na yung timeout button. Ito si Jaworski, ayaw.
Well, he's not that kind of a coach. Ibang coach would like to talk to his players. Saka muna, hindi yata natin alam anong ginagawa natin sa loob ng hindi tayo nagtatawag ng play. Caulfield is, look at there, completely no movement at all. Para kayo na 1-2-2 na walang galawan. 1-on-1 ang mangyayari. Ayan.
Sa wakas, si Noli Locsin na itala ang unang mga 2 puntos ng ball game para sa kanyang koponan ng Ginebra. 7-2 ang ating score, 10 minuto ang ating nananabi. At dito sa laban na ito, meron ng isang knockdown na na-score ni Hizon, ni Strotters pala.
Another pick and roll play. But from there, Kaidik hits another 2-pointer and medyo maganda ang shooting ng Miguel of this one.
Hindi na sila maglalagay yung shooting ng first and second quarter, but yung till end ng game niya ang hinahanap natin. Robin turnaround, malakas ang tira, rebound, nanayulan si Marlo Aquino. At meron pa, number 7, opening. Paano mo tatapatan ng isang team na meron ng Marlo, meron pang EJ, meron pang Noli?
Ang unang substitution na ginawa ni Sonny Jaworski, Baldabid para kay Bean Season, 2 fouls. You know, when you commit 2 fouls, ang kinoconcentrate mo, ang depensa mo, pero nawala na tuloy ang opensa niya, di ba?
Baldabid ka papasok na sa ball game. Ito si EJ File, mataas na high post. Caulfield, tumira ng isa, naningkis niya. And Art de la Cruz. Binigyan ng sap si Caulfield. I think yung foul more of the second motion, Dr. J, na mahawakan niya yung bola.
Yes. Actually, there was a loose ball in that play. Nagkaroon ng recovery by Art de la Cruz. Pero prinoprotekta niya, makuha niya ulit ang bola. Makikita niyo, magpa-fumble dito eh. At tapos yung habol ni Art, tapos sabay tulak.
Yun ang foul.
Well, you know, that can go either way or at the same time, that could sometimes be ignored. No? Hindi mo na tinatawagan yan dahil pareho silang tumutulak. No? Kaya nagkaroon ng break dyan si Caulfield.
Ito si Marlo Aquino, sinakyan. Pino Babilonia at maganda sa Ginebra. Alam nila kung anong advantage meron ay binubugbog nila sa loob yung bola.
Ang dalawang foul mo ni Nelson at Saitono yan. Another very important player for San Miguel.
Ang hirap naman ito, magbe-birthday ka. Hindi mabigat man laban, nakakatapat sa'yo.
Saka hindi natin alam kung nanganak na ni Sister.
Oo nga pala,
tagal na nag-aantay na yan, hindi ba?
Expected father, birthday pa niya. Malay mo, mag-birthday siya ng kasabay ng birthday ng anak niya. Hindi natin alam.
Oh, very, very possible. You know, I was really thinking about that. Very possible yun.
Hindi mga nangyayaring ganun, Dr. J.
Bihira, pero alam mo, ang sambo mo, 1 out of 365.
Mahirap. Mataas na percentage mo.
Clear mo yata ngayon eh.
Okay, 9-4 ang ating score. Ang San Miguel Beer po, nagpapauna na pa sa Leon Ryan si Strotters at mataas ang intensity nitong si Strotters dito sa game na to, Dr. J.
Yes, kasi alam mo, si Strotters, although not the kind of leader that you would look for in an import, he also gets a lot of momentum. Pag nakita niya maganda laro ng kanyang mga kakampi, nakita niya, 2 tira si Alan, swak. Tinira ni Isaac Tono, swak. Ba't ikaw muna, sasabihin na ako dyan, di ba?
Kasi nagagawang puntos ang bubunuin ng Ginebra para madikitan nila ang Beermen. Cofield has just scored this ball game. Triple B, Baldavid, wala, masyadong malakas. Cofield with the recovery.
He really has a lot of quickness in his feet, no? And then this jump shot, dead center. Mabilis, eh, no? Parang ikaw mag-jump shot niya, no?
Mahirap yun eh. Yung kinakasam, bilis masyado. Pero meron kang isang player, Dr. J, na naalala kapag nakikita ko doon si Cofield. Naalala mo si Carlos Briggs nung Ginebra nung
Yes,
araw? Parang may semblance yung clip nila at pati yata yung itsura, merong semblance ng konti. Makunti lang sila.
Alam kay Dick, really got hot.
At quarter natin, 8 minutes, 50-6 ang ating score para sa San Miguel Beer.
Well, they're putting some screens there for Caulfield, but not very good screens provided. Magwa 1-on-1 na naman yan.
Tira ni Noli, pilit. Kapag si Art de la Cruz, nakahiga na, nakaka-rebound pa.
Pero mga ng konti si Art de la Cruz, hirap siyang bumalik.
Tatamaan sa labi. Ito Babilon and Baldavid, quick hands. Tinapik ang bola papalabas. Ito, maaga natin nakikita. Mayroong mga changes sa lineup. Mostly because of
personal foul. San Miguel enjoying a 9-point lead early in the ball game. 7:35 left dito sa first quarter. Mismatch of the first order, pero nandiyan na yung tulong.
hold off the bench. Nick Natise. Ba? Walang malamig dito kay Ives,
When the game, of what we have already said, no? Siguro naman all the play rise up to the occasion ng sinasabi nila. No?
Dr. J, again, inuulit natin, ang mananalo dito, maring malaki ang pagkakataon na sila ang makakakuha ng isa sa dalawang outright tennis birds. Ano, tama ba tayo?
Very yes, because the winner will wait and hope at least, well, in Heneberg's case, if Alaska beats Shell, sila rin ang magiging segundo.
Iniintay po natin ang resulta ng mga pakbakan pa rin sa ngunit ang pagtulaban ng Ginebra at saka ng San Miguel Beer. Ang Ginebra San Miguel ay magbubuno ng puntos sapagkat nababaon sila sa score ng 76 at mostly on Alan Kaidig at saka dito sila Strotters, who has to play point guard I think all night long dahil nga po sa injury ni Franz Pumaren.
Correct, Chino. Alam mo ang San Miguel, and in reality, and I think people will agree, they're a more organized ball club. As we see Wilmer Ong come in for EJ Fal, who really played bad the other game. No? Yung mga underneath shots niya, si Franz is already in civilian clothes. Ang Ginebra naman is the type of team that go. Pag nakakuha ng momentum yan na nakakascore ng fast break, konting pressure, course of turnovers, doon sila kumukuha ng ratsyada ng puntos. Iba yung San Miguel. If they play as a team, they are more parang systematic. They're systematic sa pagkakanilang half-court game.
Calculated ang mga moves nila. Nice ang ating score. Dinuko ng tira. Yan ang pinapakita ni Baldavid at isang bagay na hinahanga ko sa kanya yung puso nitong batang to.
Yes,
yun ang hindi mo mababayaran sa kanya.
Well, exactly what Johnny Abarientos has. Johnny also make that kind of shot. We always see that he make that because, if you don't have the heart, don't play in the PBA.
Oo, tama
yan. Yan naman sasabihin sa'yo.
Kahit na malaki katawa mo, kahit na matangkad ka, pag wala ang dibdib mo, wala ka rin. Marlo Aquino registers his first block, erasing that shot by Alan Kaidig. Pero si Alan Kaidig on fire early on. He has 8 points in this ball game.
Well, if he keeps on erasing shots like that, hahanapin na siya ni Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Sino yun? Napanood mo ba yun?
Siyempre. Siyempre.
Fun na fun po ni Arnold Schwarzenegger. Ito, binalik ang bola. Wala na. Time was running down. At meron ba change ng possession? Wala daw. So, automatic na violation sa 24-second shot clock para sa kupunan ng San Miguel Beer.
Very early 11-point lead dito para sa San Miguel. Pero Ginebra has possession. And, hindi mo masasabi ang first quarter. Layo pa sa laro.
Malamig pa sila. Ito, Marlo Aquino. Mabilis ang ikot ng bola. Yes. At Marlo Aquino na sa ring. Nilagay yung bola.
will be probably one of the, meron tayong Hall of Fame centers, will be a Hall of Fame center, wag lang siya ma-injure, no? Jerry, I think, is still, and Benji are still among the top right now. I think they're the top. Pero Marlo, bigyan mo na
Malapit na.
dalawang niya.
Masasabi natin, malapit-lapit na sa ihilero to sa dalawa, o nakahilero na siya. Short on that shot, ito si Marlo Aquino, showing some dribbling skills, pero naniguro sa brigade sa partner niya. Umatake si Valdebid. Pagpasa niya, nandun na si De La Cruz, anticipating that pass. Sobra sa half.
3 seconds on their shot clock. Walang pick and roll yan, ha? Actually, you would like to screen for Caulfield dahil alam mo magaling tumira yan. Pero we have a loose ball foul on Ives, on Art De La Cruz.
Art De La Cruz. Sinusubukan niyang dinayang posisyon ni Nodotin. Magko-commercial ka na.
Rubbing alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
Well, pagka ganitong araw, Martes, ang lahat ng tao na pupunta sa Cuneta Astro sapagkat alam nilang dito, may enjoy nila ang live action, lalong-lalo na kung ang magtatapat ay ang San Miguel Beer at saka ang Ginebra San Miguel. Naku, sa probinsya, Dr. J, maraming mahilig dito sa dalawang inuming ito.
Siguro.
Mga
Paborito
paborito.
sa probinsya, kahit dyan siguro sa Sampaloc, sa Tondo, yung mga ating kababayan dyan, nanonood ng TV ngayon, ang pulutan, alam mo na,
Oo.
Osa.
At saka,
Pwede rin yung usa. Oh, yun, masarap yan. Ako, gusto ko yung usa, yung kalderetang usa.
meron din minsan yung ginagawang tapang kabayo.
Masarap yan.
Isa sa mga maraming pulutan yan. Huwag na lang crispy pata dahil alam natin dadalikan niya sa ospital pag tagal-tagal. Okay. Sa ngayon po, ang pag naghahalong Ginebra at saka San Miguel Beer, nakakaangat ng 7 na puntos.
Chaser pala yung isa. Chaser yung beer.
Matermahal na
Caulfield with another jump shot, a little bit too strong, pero malakas ang dating ng bola ni Caulfield. This is the velocity of the ball coming to the ball. No?
Yung pukul. Malakas yung... ewan ko kung
Malakas ang
pinito-
pulso niya.
Talagang malakas.
Malakas ang puso.
Ito si Strotes, Suabe Quiros. Naku, libre si Alan Gaedic, triple B. Patay ka na naman!
Yan ang mali ni Valdebid. Ba't siya magdo-double team to leave Alang Gaedig wide open? You know, the trigger man is hot.
Sakit ni Valdebid.
Oh.
Palagi yan. Dumodouble siya against yung mga iniiwanan niya. Yung
Bumabalik
mga
pa lang siya.
three-point
Alam na
shooter.
niya, mali na siya.
Patay na siya. Isang suking-suki nito si Valdebid, si Richie Dixon, naalala mo, yung mga pass games. Kinakain ng buong
foul.
dito. Samantala, everything going against Ginebra dito sa ating first quarter. Nababaon sila 12 puntos, 22 hanggang G's. At mukhang magandang paberde yung first quarter para kay Coach Norman Black na San Miguel.
So far, everything is working their way. But Ginebra has to pull themselves together. They have to understand who they're going to have to defend against.
Bumiti ng konti. Huli ka! Dalawang nabubura ng tira ng San Miguel kontra sa Ginebra. Noli Locsin, DP hit. Nakipagbanggaan. Dalawang Ilonggo. Isa taga-Bacolod pa na.
Yung isa taga-Iloilo.
Isa taga-Iloilo. Tatawid ka pa niyan bago ka makarating dyan sa magkabilang.
Pero okay lang yan. Perry lang yan. Malapit lang.
Pareho ang salita dyan, no?
Yes.
At si Noli Locsin, walang alam na salita yan kundi sa loob ako titira.
Okay.
And he gets his first 2 points of the ball game. I'll make that 4 points, Dr. J.
And it's a 10-point lead still enjoyed by the Beermen, pero 3 minutes and 45 seconds na lang. Ganda naman ang pasa.
Fake pass. Pasa, fake, pasa uli at diniretso ng pasa and hindi ko di siya response.
Well, good teamwork being displayed dito, Chino, by San Miguel early. They're passing, they hardly, really hold on to the ball too long. Hindi sila naghahawak ng bola. They keep on moving, they keep on dribbling and passing.
Sabi mo
Nice
well
pass.
organized. Eto, unang dunk ni Marlo Aquino. Naalala ko nung isang game na pinanood natin, Dr. J. Ginawa pala natin. Si Marlo Aquino had, I think, 5 dunks in that game.
Alam mo na rookie si Marlo eh. Kasi yung mga rookie mahilig magda-dunk. Noong unang dumating si Benji, wala ka nakita kundi dunk. Si Berhel, nung panahon niya, dunk ng dunk. Ngayon, ayaw na magda-dunk si Berhel. Ganun
Nagtitipid na.
Oo.
Alam nilang mas ikabubuhay nila yung simpleng tira, mas hahaba pa ang career nila. Eto, tumatakbo na naman ng Ginebra. Ang kanilang paboritong style ng play. Laglag ang bola, Noli Locsin, masyadong malalim, nalunod. At merong loose ball foul. This one on
Wilmer Ong.
Wilmer Ong. Ito, pakikitaan namin kayo ng trademark. San Miguel, teamwork, screen off. Hindi natin nakita masyado dun yung fake pass. Pero digda di siya responde.
Join the 5 years old whiskey. Hanip ang lasa at walang hangover. Sakto ang White Castle Whiskey.
Nagbabaga ang San Miguel at salamat.
Tawa ng kaibigan ko.
Kanina
Kanina,
ngiti, kanina hindi nakangiti, baliktad no? Yung gitna ng mukha niya baliktad.
Well, we saw a very, very good game both by Sankis and Mobiline in the first game. Mobiline saying farewell. but not saying it lying down.
Oo, lumaban, inumobilize. In fact,
Fight!
meron
Talagang
silang
fight.
chance doon. Ito naman, walang chance ay tira niyan. Tapos, sa mga kaibigan ng buhay ng San Miguel as they fail to execute well after that timeout. Balikan natin yung first game na yun. Nanalo ang kumpanan ng Sankis by the skin. Ay, teka muna. Mamaya na yan. Alan Kaidik, 4-5. Dr. J at 3 of 3 yan. Walang palya yan sa
From
3-point.
Triple B. So obviously starting off very well, and that's the reason why they have a 10-point lead. You know, ang contribution ni Alan Kaidik medyo malaki na agad. Sama na naman ng pasa, no? As Dean Season came in during that time out to replace Baldabit, siyang babantay kay Alan Kaidik. Si Caulfield
Mismatch,
will pick up Strotters. Ay, nice play.
Ito bukas si Strotters at ayun, sinuyod ng konti ni Wilmer Ong. Alam mo yung pamado, Dr. Ay yung karambola. Nagdidikit-dikit yung mga bola. Parang gano'n si Strotters, eh, no?
Ayan ang laro natin.
Karambola.
Laro na yung chiquito yan.
Karambola. Dati, naalala ko yung karambola yun. Hinahanap ko butas. Iniisip ko paano umi-score. Eto. Ay, hindi pala backing yun. Natapik daw ng San Miguel. Vin Season open for a 3-point shot. Wala. Ayun si Wilmer Ong. Offensive rebound and the putback for the 2 points. Yan, unti-unting gumigising ang Ginebra, pero kung gising at gising, 10 putos pa yung bubunuin nyo. San Miguel Beer playing well dito sa first quarter.
Obviously, ang nahanap ng San Miguel na dahil may backing yata yun. Pero kung tatapik nga na isang beerman yun and then hitting Caulfield before going to the backcourt, he could pick it up. 3-point shot by Kaidik.
Oh! Mainit! Mainit! Nagbabaga. Alan Kaidik, walang palya from Triple B. That's his fourth conversion from that area.
Yeah, really fantastic first quarter for Alan Kaidik. 14 puntos na yata si Alan Kaidik dito.
Boundary agad yan sa puntos niya.
Yeah, that's his average.
Ito yung sinasabi natin itong J. Ang Ginebra nanonood sa half-court set nila. Walang movement.
They can't perform anything against San Miguel. It's all one-on-one.
2 seconds to shoot. Wala. Naubos. At diretso ang San Miguel Beer. Ang San Miguel Beer, maganda rin ang setup nila sa kanilang half-court defense.
Well, as you see, JB Gayoso coming in for Dean Season, nag-iisip na si Sunny. Walang tumatawag ng play. Paano ito nangyayari sa akin team? Na hindi kami marunong mag-screenan. San Miguel is just killing us because they know how we're gonna move, how our players are gonna move.
Well scouted. Ito, Alan Kaidik using the Pulistico pick, pero umalis itong Pulistico. Ito, si Pulistico sa labas, drawing out Marlo Aquino. 9 seconds to shoot. Pumitik si Strotters and what a game para sa San Miguel early on.
So we have,
Strotters 11 points.
although he never still has the majority of fans, partner, let's
Tahimik
be
na.
sure that there are a lot of San Miguel fans also dito as they now enjoy a 15-point lead.
Si Caulfield, wala pang nagagawa masyado rito. Ayun, si Gayoso.
Yan ang instant offense. Either instant offense or sakit ng ulo.
Yeah,
Because
wala
he will shoot eh.
Tama.
Nakita
Pag pumali,
mo,
yung patay.
Sa loob-loob niya kung wala shoot, basta ako makalabas ako.
Ako na,
titira.
babarat yan. 4 seconds na sa ating game clock. Bukas si Abuda. Ang kanyang tira, wala. David, that shot. At the end of the first quarter, panonoorin natin si Alan Kaidik. Ang malinis na tira para sa kanyang ika-apat na Triple V. Babaon namin sa inyo as we head to this timeout. First quarter anchor don Alan Kaidik. 4 3-point shots, walang palya yan. He ended up with 14 points. Si Strotters, binakapan siya. He had 11 at Dr. J.
The two guys had enough to give them a 7-point lead in dalawang offensive game. No. But the point with Ginebra is, I don't think they were executing like here. Benny Cheng comes off the bench. He has not played. He did not play the last game. Very first throw niya, error. Hindi siya ginagamit eh. So, very excited siya. Gusto niyang bitawan kagad yung bola. Samboy Lim has come in to replace Alan Kaidik. Let's see if he can continue, no?
Sinalasan na sa ito against Benny Cheng. Shot on that shot. David, that shot.
Pero nakita mo sa ni Jaworski has now put a defensive team in there. Yung medyo mga may depensa. Si Benny Cheng, let's see this jump shot.
Wala. At ito, outlet pass.
Uy,
Diretso kay Nelson
traveling.
Setono, parang namasyal.
Traveling yun.
The basket would count at foul si Benny Cheng. 3-point play in the offing para kay Setono at lamog. Ang Ginebra dito, Dr. J, traveling.
Walang foul yan. That's traveling. That's very, very clear. That referee made a bad call. He did not see the play. Tumawag siya ng foul, tapos na yung play na the guy really took a couple of steps going to the basket. That's clear traveling.
Dr. J, ilang steps? Pag binitawan mo, tinigil mo yung dribble mo.
Pare yun, tatlo at kalahati yata yun.
Sumobra dahil may hap pa eh.
So hindi na natin kailangan pag-usapan na if ilang pwede, ilang hindi pwede. Yung traveling yun, lahat ng tao alam yun.
Samboy dinukot sa mukha ni Aquino ang bola. At si Samboy Lim trying to take over where Alan Kaidik left off the first quarter.
Yeah, and that's very important because alam natin si Samboy medyo umiidad na. If he gives Norman 6, 8, 10 points, then that's exactly what they're looking for.
Si Caulfield, namamaga ang ring sa kanya.
Well, this is the day na magkakaroon ka ng jet lag, you know, the 4th day in the country. And Samboy goes all the way.
At si EJ5, si Marlo naiwan sa baba, tinamaan yung kanyang gagel.
Mahirap din pala yung may goggles. Ako,
Pinapasa
napasa ni Benny Cheng, puro out of this world.
Parehong basura. Ang ginawa nitong si Benny Cheng, nagtatapon ng bola. Hindi mo kailangan magtapon ng bola pag ganito nababaong ka na ng 17.
Yes.
35, 18, 10 and 43. Second quarter at si Caulfield. Oo, ano kailangan? Magpapalit siguro ng baril ito. Masama ang mukhang kailangan linisin yung barilis.
You know, that's some question that people are asking. Nagpalit kayo. Are you sure that yung pinalit nyo, mas magaling sa pinalitan ninyo, no? Na nagpapanalo naman kayo. Ito sila Mons Rodas. Alam natin kung anong kaya niya. Hindi mapalitan ng San Miguel yan.
Papatayin kayo ng San Miguel Beer. Ang San Miguel, sabi mo nga Dr. J, playing a well-calculated, organized brand of basketball.
And they're up on top by 19 right now.
Ito, worst beating ng Hinebrang natitikman sa kamay ng San Miguel. Tandaan po ninyo, ang Hinebra hindi pa nananalo sa San Miguel sa nakakaraang 5 buwan. 5 buwan ang nilang tinatalo itong kanilang pupunang to.
Parang suki nga sila ng San Miguel.
Suki sila.
Yung sa All Filipino, sinuki nila. Pero pagkatapos nun, binawian na sila ng San Miguel. Ang ganda naman ng kilos ni ano. Pero ayaw pa rin pumasok. At hindi sila bumababa.
Mabagal. Ewan ko kung anong klaseng panggising ang gagawin ni Coach Sonny Jaworski dito sa kanyang mga manlalaro. Naku, nasandwich si Samuel Lim. He forced that shot against 3 people.
Alam niyo yun.
Posible. Unless kasing nipis ka ng PC, pwede. Ayun, ganun pala, mas gusto niya. At ito, anong gagawin mo para gumising Coach Sonny Jaworski? Tignan natin, pagbabalik natin. Paano kami hahabol, Dr. J, kung ganitong nababaw kami ng 21 puntos?
Well, so far there's been no steady force at all for Ginebra. Yung pumupuntos ang Sandel, walang sumasagot. Minsan nagiging 2 against 1 puntusan, 3 against 1. The Imp has not done it. Let's see this long one, wala pa rin. Tapos yung mga errors mo, Hison has not been scoring. Valdebid is sitting on the bench. Locsin is sitting on the bench. Marlo Aquino even missing a turnaround. So wala kang pagkukunan unless they start playing tough defense, force turnovers, and get some easy shots. Hindi naman mabigla yung 21 ng lamang yan.
Mahirap yan. At,
Dahan-dahanin mo yan. Ayan, paldo naman si Gayoso.
wala, talagang totally outback yung outplay nitong Hinebra. Dito, sa ating field goal shooting mo, paano ka ba naman matatalo?
And you have most of those, some of those shots
Three-point shots pa.
are 3-point shots. So, ang dagdag niyan, +1, +1, +1, +1.
At pinakikita ng San Miguel yung kanilang organization, yung ating plays nila, yung kanilang screen, no? Ito, look away. Naku, tirang yun.
Buenos pa.
Akala ko namatay na yung tirang yun.
Buenos pa. You know, and some boys taking off where Alan Kaidik left off. 3-point shot by Gayoso. Sabi siya, either instant offense or instant sakit. Ang layo ng tiro, pero swa.
Lason yun, lason. Nakalason, yun ang talagang mga doktor din sa bilyarin sa San Miguel. Alaberding din na naging Miguel. Ito, one-on-one.
He always reaches in. Yun ang kanyang klaseng depensa because it's no lateral.
Mabigat siya masyado. At alam ni Sambo yan. Kaya binake sa papuntang kanan, bumelta sa kabila.
Commissioner natin, Benitez Happy birthday.
Ako nga pala, mga Scorpions ngayon. Birthday nila at mamaya may malaking celebration dito.
Nakita ko na yung lechon doon.
Ako, siguro itong Boneta, invitado rito. No? Ito, birthday din. Baka mag-celebrate din mamaya ito.
Oo.
Happy birthday po. At ito, pinabe-birthday sa kanya ng mga players niya. Binanatan yan, offensive foul ang itatawag kay Lamont Strotter. Pero hindi kailangan mabahala si Strotter dahil
First
20 puntos ang abante natin.
Yes, at saka first personal foul. Only 2 team fouls against their team. Ginebra San Miguel has 3 team fouls. 30 dito sa second quarter of play.
Tandaan po ninyo na kapag nanalo ang Ginebra dito, mananalo na yung pagkakataon nilang makausad, makuha ang isa sa dalawang semifinals. Pero ganito ang pagsasabong gagawin nyo, palagay ko dadaan kayo sa quarterfinal.
Look at this illegal kick being given by Marlo Aquino. Good call.
Moving pick.
Nakita ni Bailey Desma right in front of him. He has good angle to make the call.
Eto. Kita mo, Dr. J, isang senyasan lang. Alam na ni Samboy kung saan siya pupunta. At alam ni Strotters kung anong gagawin niya. Wala na talagang magawa. Frustration fouls ang kinukumit ng Ginebra.
That's very surprising story. They came for him. Eventually, the ball coming from your chest has to go up to the basket. So, chichenpuan mo sa ere. Pero parang hindi sila nagkakaroon ng teamwork sa depensa. Pag nakalusot sa isang kamit, pinapaul na lang ng mga malalaki.
Dr. J, pag ang isang manlalaro, naglalaro na merong pieces sa loob. Ibig sabihin nito, masama ang pakiramdam.
Or-
At yun na siguro ang magbe-best na magdi-describe dito sa
Yeah.
masama talaga ang nila.
Yeah, with due respect to anybody who's sick. Pero talagang that's what it is right now. Ginebra has a disease which they cannot seem to correct, no? Or cure.
In fact, baka
They
hindi
need
pa
the
nila
doctor.
ma-detect eh. Kung ayun, Dr. J, ikaw ang doktor dito, pero
They need the big J.
ayun, kailangan gising. Naku, ayun ang sinasabi mo.
Isa bumababa sa depensa, yung kanyang tao nandun na sa unahan. Pero buti, ayan, technical pa yata dahil pumapalag pa kay Bailey na.
May technical pa si Mario Aquino and everything going again.
JP
At
Gayoso.
si JP Gayoso, dahil yung tira niya. Sino nyo pala yung umaapila ng kaso? And JP Gayoso, sinusubukan niyang gisingin itong mga Hinebra. Nagpunta yung Hinebra dito, hordes of them, pagisingin nila, pero ngayon pati sila ata. Natutulog na rin dahil nabaon yung team nila.
Although, mabait mo, your team is playing miserably. The other team is playing basketball. So, it's a mismatch, no? Unless you do something about it.
Hahanapan nila ang paraan kung paano nila bubuhayin yung kanilang mga sarili. Pero mahirap ito dahil balansyadong San Miguel, kalkulado ang mga move. At ang natutulog ng mga Hinebra ang sinusubukan gisingin kanilang mga fans. Brothers, pumukol, wala. Iba, Mario Aquino. Ang hindi kami ng Hinebra ay humingi ng mga foul. Alam, Dr. J, kapag intercolor o yung mga interbarangay na ganyan, pagka lumalamang yung kalabang nakaguhit na suot,
Yeah, kawawa rin naman sila because sometimes they're just doing their job, no? As in this case.
ito, tignan natin kung anong panggising ang gagawin nito si Vince Season. Si Vince Season not playing an excellent ball game. Ito si Caulfield. Ito, namamagayin rin kanina pa. At least, nakabanat na siya. But only fourth point, Dr. J.
Although they're forcing him to take a point, I really think he's a number 2 guard. You have to give him screens, you have to set him up. You have to have a guard that can penetrate and throw the ball out to him. I think he'll make a shot. Pero after the ball, he meant to.
Lamang.
Asa ito, no?
At effective block, nakukuha pa ng San Miguel Field against the taller and heftier Hinebra players.
Pero Ginebra is defense is spread so wide apart. Kaya Marlo is so far away from the rebound play. Yan ang ginagawa ng San Miguel.
Hinahatak nila papalabas si Marlo.
Correct. Kaya wala na naman makakalibre yata si Locsin ng 2 puntos dito. Nakatalikod yung kalaban eh.
Well, yun ang pagkakataon nila. Ang problema nila sa ng Hinebra, Dr. J, pag hindi nila naitatakbo yung kanilang bola. Something na gustong-gusto nila. Yung kanilang brand ng game, run and gun, hindi nila magawa dito.
Correct. Because San Miguel knows that's their forte. Kaya hindi nila pinapayagan. Ang ganda ng Caulfield sa inlet.
Pero tinawagan ng foul si Caulfield. Nakita ko rin doon yung mata ni Caulfield sa pagsulit ng mga bola. Eto, tignan natin to.
I think, more or less, pag dumampot ka ng bola dyan, talagang malamang. Hindi natin makikita sa ating
Takip,
camera
takip sa
dahil
angle
sa
natin.
kanilang angle yun.
Maiipit. So, 2 free throws awarded to Lamont Roth. Tignan natin sa isa pang angulo, Dr. J, kung
Makikita na. Well, still we cannot see.
Oo.
Covered talaga.
Kailangan nandun sa reverse
He
angle.
had the angle, so he had the right to call. You see the referee making the call. He had the right, he had the angle to make the call. Doon nakikita niya.
Strothers, 2 out of 2. At balik na naman. Rather, last free throws. 44-25 na.
19 po ang lamang ng San Miguel sa Ginebra with 6 minutes and 20 seconds left dito sa second quarter. It's been a bad first 2 quarters for Ginebra.
Pamatang over yung Dr. J. Noli Locsin, umatake. Sumayip at
Yan ang specialty ni Noli Locsin, driving hard to the hoop.
binibang ko sa balang ng Dr. J despite sa kanyang timba.
Well, his build is like Hollywood.
Oo, pero kinitigyan ko si Noli Locsin. Wala kang makikita halos muscle dyan
Hindi naman muscles ni Hollywood. You might even say baby fat.
May mga club eh.
Oo.
Pero yung baby niya ang B-fat siya, hindi na baby fat. Balik ko, Dr. J, talagang yan ang natural na structure. But make no mistake about it. Ito po si Noli, one of the strongest player.
Right now, you probably would consider him in the class of Alvin Patrimonio and also natin offensive foul. Nabuhayan na yung mga crowd ng Ginebra.
At saka na mahirap nga naman ito mga ito. Pagka ganito nabubuhay ito, akala mo kuryente ito mga ito. Pagka nagising, dire-diretso, walang pigil. 44-27 na ating score para pa rin sa San Miguel Beer.
Knock on wood. Totoo yung sinabi mo yung kuryente. Tuloy-tuloy na.
Yan ang pinagdadasal ng marami dito. Halfway mark ng ating second quarter. Caulfield, nasa loob na, lumabas pa.
He likes that kind of shot to be set up for the shot. That was a triple B that they needed badly to get themselves back in the ball game.
Mga yung sinasabi mo, Dr. J, no? Baka mas maganda ilaro ng dos niya. Nakakapagdagdag pa ng paambun na puntos. Malaking bagay yan. Babylonia scoring his first 2 points of the ball.
San Miguel gets because of their ball and player movement.
Ito si Marlo Aquino, tapped underneath. Nelson Saitono. Ito, Art de la Cruz papalit. At ito pa, mas masakit na ulo ko. Dalawa ng barilis ito. Double barrel threat. Anong gagawin mo rito
Well,
ngayon?
it's a double barrel threat, but it's not a defensive team. This is what Ginebra should take advantage of if I were
Pwede
them.
rin silang tumakbo rito.
And, you know, somebody's got to guard the player that can shoot. Alan's got to guard the player that can shoot.
Malabas
Kaya ni Jaworski yan, nakikita niya na itong, you might say, offensively, as strong San Miguel as the team that he's been using.
At si Pito Renzo ang pinasok sa ngayon na magpo-point guard. Alam mo na, Dr. J, kung ano hinahanap ni Jaworski kay Pito Renzo. Yung kanyang pagpukol sa labas.
Saka drive niya si Alan, you know, to make Alan work on fit. Because Pito, he can't go to the left. That's the tempo also.
Saka ang problema rin, pag nag-dribble, nakayuko.
Oo, kaya padaling sundutan, no?
Oh! Sa kilos, Tono, ang tira, sinuwerte na. Nelson Aceito asking for the charge, pero hindi bibigyan sa kanya. 46-29, Miguel in control of this.
Has begun to wake up. Myself, that is very important dahil si Locsin ang bibigay ng konting spot sa kanyang feet.
Boxing with 10 points in this ball game. Ito ang double barrel threat, playing a two-man team, and also again. Tawag pala kay Davey Gayon yung ano nung kasi, no? Mahilig ba? Pag ilang foul niya na yun, panay gano'n, sungkit dito, sungkit doon.
That's a bad foul because your team is in the penalty. Use your head a little bit. Don't send shooters to the free throw line who are not ready to shoot.
Itong si Sam Bilin, 74% ang career nito sa free throw shooting.
You know, he may miss, but still, it's not a good percentage thing to foul him, no? Because, ayan, bago siya tumira, sinabi ko yung miss, ha?
Para kami ni Dr. J, ha?
Position tumira, inaantay niyang pumos kasi ang gusto niya ibigay yung bola. But move.
Si Gayoso,
So this is another chance for them to get closer.
hinahabol nila yan. The biggest lead stood at 23 points. Ito si Gayoso.
Hey, doesn't matter. He has 7 in the ball game.
Si Norman Black, ninenervyos. Gusto niya ng timeout. Magbabalik kami.
Outfitter of the PBA, Fila, changed the game.
Well, Dr. J, si Art de la Cruz, may problema at hindi po nabukulan yung paa ni Art de la Cruz. But mukhang meron siya, di ba na kanina meron siyang bagsak na sinabi ko, mabagal yung pagtayo niya. At least twisted his right ankle at
Malaki because this ball game is only the second quarter.
at tayo gagawa na ng matinding pagkilos itong San Miguel. Butata from the back. Ito si Babilonia at sino tatawagan ng foul? Si Babilonia ba tinawagan ng foul doon sa last play?
Hindi siguro.
Kaya kailangan manood tayo ulit dito sa magulo ng konti itong
Let's take a look at this play. The people are fighting for the rebound. Babilonia, the big man in there. Nadiin siya ng konti.
kanino binigay yung foul? Kay Marlo
Malaki,
Aquino.
no?
Si second foul at si Marlo,
Nakatukod yung kanan na...
siko niya.
yung knee ni Marlo Aquino. Yun ang tinawagan.
At Babilonia ngayon, magkakaroon ng pagkakataon.
The fans are having a field day with the referees here.
Pero in fairness to the referee, ginagawa niya ng trabaho niya. Pero paminsan-minsan talagang dadaplit.
Meanwhile, si Norman Black has been able to substitute his players very well. May lamang siya. Although yung nagkakaroon ng konting foul trouble si Nelson kanina, tapos medyo nasaktan si Art de Cruz. Nagagamit pa niya.
Maganda yung pagkakasukat niya sa mga manlalaro niya. And Babilonia nailing 2 free throws. His 4th point of the ball game.
17-point lead again in San Miguel dito. 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Then you have a trapping defense. But they were able to solve that. And San Miguel falls back to its defense quickly.
Tatanggal itong Ginebra. Nawawala sila sa forma nila. Lamont Strotters. Kanina mo bibigay ang bola niyan. Biniti ni Alan Kaidik. Nawala. And Noli Locsin for the rebound. Maraming kamay na nagkakatapigan doon.
Locsin showing his leaping ability against Lamont Strotters.
Hirap pa sundutan ng bola si Noli. Pagka iniiwag ang sikot, makamangongo ka pag dinamang ka ng uso.
Yung katabaan ka ni Holyfield.
Knockout. Ito. Ito si Hison and Hison. Ito ang hindi makatakbong makina. Hirap na hirap umangat against San Miguel in this ball game.
San Miguel knows his style. No? He drives to the right a lot. He's a jump shooter when he set up. And San Miguel has been denying him that. That was it. Nasa lang. Alam ni Cofield. That's the way to drive hard to the hoop. He plays hard to the hoop.
Yun ang sinasabi natin, Dr. Jake. Tinanggal mo si Reggie Fack. Ang galing daw ni Reggie Fack. Malakas rebound, nakaka-score sa labas. Pero si Cofield, nung isang naibibigay sa Ginebra na hindi nabibigay ni Reggie Fack yung
He
penetration.
penetrates hard. And he penetrates. Yung problema yata dahil may different Reggie. Kaya hindi siya penetrate. But from the outside, another.
Ng Ginebra, pati sa depensa, hindi na naman alam kung sinong tao i-cover nila.
Well, that gasoline is going all the way right now. 3-point shot by Hison. Lumabas.
Over the back foul si Marlo Aquino. Another guy. who can seem to get going dito sa ball game to. His third personal foul si Marlo Aquino, and ang kanyang production, he only has 6 points scoreless in the second quarter.
Boxing out tactic na nagawa sa kanila ng San Miguel. I think they realize his strength off the offensive board. So boxing out first before you go for the rebound seems to be the order of the day. Eh, yun ang ginagawa naman ng San Miguel's players. So ways out, you know, probably much taller than Babilonia. Pero yung positioning natami nito.
Ito si AJ Palo. Kanina sinubukan ni Sonny Jaworski na pagsabayin. Si AJ nakataong mamuhunan ng San Miguel. They raced off to a 7-0 start.
Very slow team coming back in defense, and that hurt them whenever they miss their shots or they commit turnovers. Pero Babilonia this time around, in contrast to what he did earlier, missed both free throws. No?
Pareho namang iminintis yun.
17 pa rin ang lamang, pero again, with a decent number.
Ito, ang ganda ng pasa ng Cofield, pero ano ba naman tira ng DC?
You know, AJ Pyle has really been playing miserably these last few games.
Ito si Alan. Ito, two-man game. Napakasimple itong mag-partner. At saan magpunta, alam nila kung nasaan ang nilang mga partner.
Sabay pa nga pumirma ng kontrata yun.
Wala pa. Simple. Paglingon na yan, ayun, nasa kaliwa na si Samboy. 2 points na naman. 19-point lead. Ako, palagay ko, parang Biyernes Santo sa buong Pilipinas ngayon, lalo-lalo yung mga Ginebra fans.
Ayun sa mga San Miguel fans naman. Sa
Yun.
Alaska, naku, sarap sa Alaska yan. They want San Miguel to win. You know?
Naghihintay din lang sila dito. Automatic na sila, di ba?
Naman, pero you know,
Almost.
I think, yeah, yung quotient nila against either San Miguel or Celis might be too much to overcome.
Kesa patay, no?
Sa galing ng team nila.
Sobrang angat, mga kaibigan. At ito, sila Monstrovers, traveling.
Pero binangga ni Arencio ng hitod.
Ito, makita dito. Ito, mga ganito ating bagay ang...
Yeah, alam mo na talaga.
Oh,
Kitang-kita naman talagang may foul yun. Yung ay binigyan ni Arencio talaga ng kanyang hip, no?
Alam mo yung mga referees, Dr. J, kapag tama ang gagawin niya, sabihin natin tama. Pero kapag kapal pa kayo, sinasabi namin sa inyo, yung huling play na yan, may foul yan.
Maliwanag na.
Itataya ko, trabaho ko doon, may foul yun. Dahil kung ako yan, palagay ko, thrown out na ako kung ako naglalaro.
Hindi naman siguro. I don't think it was dirty in the sense that he didn't stick out his leg. Pero that was a foul. That should have been free throw shots. You know, the guy lost the ball.
Going to the basket, 3-point shot, wala. Eto, Babilonia outplaying the bigger. At sabi nga nila, baka mas classier kay Babilonia, but Babilonia using yung positioning niya.
Yes.
Eto si Strotes, babawi. Hindi na ako, ending na dice. Etong dalawang
Wala pa
release
rin.
players to, wala. Pero gusto. Alam kay Idik, inaabangan lang yung bola. Itong hindi malaman kung anong gagawin. At Samboy Lim denying. Looks in that position underneath. Cofield ginamit ang banda. Wala pa rin. At hanggang ngayon, dinudugo ang basket kay Cofield.
Too strong ang kanyang tira. You know?
Eto, laban sa tatlo. Isama nyo pa buong barangay nyo. Dadaling kayo ni Samboy sa
I'm really
basket.
surprised that, well, you know, they must have promised him that Cofield is a good player. So, good kung good. Pero ngayon, ang Ginebra, nag-isa't-isa na naman ang laro.
Wala, nagsasabog ng todo ang Ginebra at itong San Miguel Beat in control of the ball game. They have 54 against the 35 of Ginebra.
San Miguel, yes. 19 po ang lamang ng San Miguel Beer. Isolation play.
Ito si Babilonia.
Galing ng San Miguel.
Kung meron kang pipiliin player dito, Dr. J, sa first half, it has to be Babilonia. Ball game, ginagamit
Nahihilo
niya
ako.
niya.
Marami talaga contribution.
Nahawi na lang si Babilonia. Frustration. Foul on Samboy Lim. Samboy Lim, balibag at kalkuladong, kung meron tayong isang word na sasabihin talaga, Dr. J, kalkulado ang akin ng San Miguel dito. Sukat na sukat, kumbaga.
That is only the 15th foul, Chino, of San Miguel. So that will, they're now only in the penalty. So 15.4 seconds. Tignan natin if he never goes for a last shot. They're down by 21 points.
Interesting enough, Dr. J, paano ka mabangon kapag gaganto kabigat ang
Uno
tayo
is
mo?
very, very possible. No? But you have to change your style of play. Ganun ang laro na dapat gawin.
Looking for the final shot, Pido Harencio. Hindi pa rin, nag-hesitate pa rin sila. Eto, just in time for the passer. Nakasok na ulit San Miguel Beer. Ang
Whiskey, Han Hangover. Sakto ang White Castle Whiskey.
Dr. J, akala mo, Biyernes Santo kanina sa halftime. Normally, pag halftime ng Ginebra game, parang fiesta yan. Dahil ang mga tao nagtatawanan, nag-anticipate ng panalo. Pero dito, para silang tinamaan ng Biyernes Santo. Sort of on a mini slump itong kupunan ng Ginebra kumpara sa San Miguel Beer.
Well, yeah, San Miguel has been on a roller coaster up and down. Ang Ginebra naman, they played poorly against Santa Lucia, although they had some semblance of coming back. Eh, alam mo, if you play bad and you don't practice well, at bago pa import mo, may malaki talaga problema ng team mo. But, you know, it seems like they came out of the dugout all fired up. So, let's see what they can do about being fired up, no?
Ayun, Dr. J, maganda ito. Dahil sa Saitono ang foul, ikatlo niya yan. Mabigat yan. Isang fake ni Gayoso. Ba, nakaganti si Gayoso.
Well, Nelson obviously wanted to block the shot. Yun ang gusto niyang pahirapin lalo si Gayoso. Gayoso will not take a 3-point shot. He had 7 points. Nolan Locsin is the only player in double figures for Ginebra in the first half. With 12. Sa kabila, tatlo ang double figures doon. Kasali na si Kaiji, Sampoy, at
So, ito si Caulfield naman, Dr. J, nakadampot ng kanyang ikalawang foul. Ako po po ng San Miguel playing excellent ball game sa first half. Well calculated, half-court game. Yung Ginebra hindi nakaporma dahil they were expecting na tatakbo ang San Miguel with them. Pero hindi yun ang inisip ng San Miguel.
Look at this, San Miguel, very precise. Waiting for the double team, throws it back. Fadeaway shot, medyo mahirap, pero sa kanila pa rin ang rebound.
Nanonood si Gayoso ba? Hinihintay niya siguro may rebound para sa kanya.
Dadating yung bola sa kamay mo, no? Nice steal. The only guy I really was played well, Locsin. Pero nandiyan si Locsin with a nice assist to Pido Harencio. Cut the lead somewhat to 17, 17 after 1 minute dito sa third quarter.
Biggest lead po kanina ng San Miguel Pino stood at 23 big points sa score ng 41-18. So on this shot, Freddy Abuda, ito yung mga utility man ng San Miguel na naglalaro ng maayos.
Saka magagaling yan sa mga role play.
Look away pass, hindi nakuha. At ito, fast break play na naman. Pido Harencio sparking this team. He has 4 straight points to start off the third quarter. And Norman Black wants to tan. Magbabalik po kami.
Rubbing alcohol, the official rubbing alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
Nababahala ang San Miguel Beer sapagkat merong mini run itong Ginebra.
Yes.
6 straight points. Pido Harencio lahat yan.
Well, 3 steals leading to 6 straight points. All of a sudden, nagkaroon ng fast break points ang Ginebra San Miguel. 0 sa Persapian. They have 4 already in this quarter. And 6 straight points na. Ang binabanggit mo, pinersa ni Lamont Strotters, pero may loose ball foul before the act of shooting.
Dr. J, bukas ito sila Lamont Strotters. Palagi ulit-ulit. Dami ng tama nito pag dumadrive.
Kung ako kahapon nagkukwentuhan tayo kasama ni Ahmad Rashad, kwento natin yung 105 points ni Tony Harris.
Tony Harris.
Pero kalaban niya Ginebra and he kissed the floor, sabi nga ni Mr. Ronnie, 30 times.
Record yun. Ito si Lamont Strotters naman. Masakit itong pamihe. Palagi ko yung balakang nito at saka yung pigi nito. Sa dami ng tama.
But they'll take it dahil matagal pa ang kanilang laro, lalo na pag nanalo sila rito.
Ito naman ang ikot ng bola. At picking their spots well itong San Miguel Beer, Dr. J.
Yun ang the reason why tumawag ng timeout ni Coach Mel. At tayo puwersa na agawan muli tayo, na tatapik ang bola. Imbis na ilaro natin yung laro natin sa Persa. Malaw tayo ng pumalaw. Tapos may malilibre dyan. Dahil eventually yung rotation ng Ginebra, may magugulo dyan.
NTV dito. Pido Harencio. Aba. Nagbabaga.
Triple B yun. Siyam na straight puntos. 2 layup. Binigay isa ni Locsin, isa ni ng kanilang import si Caulfield. Medyo uminit si Harencio. Papakita siya.
Ito, hinahanap nila si Alan Kaidik. Si Alan Kaidik, hindi pa nakakatanga ng bola rito. 10 seconds to shoot. Alan Kaidik has it outside. Wala pa.
They switch off quickly.
Ito, ano pa? Ang pasabuti nilang nagbago isip niya. Kinontrol niya. At ito, muntik pa may turnover. Hand off sana. Dumiretso si Locsin.
Yes.
Excellent play. Intelligent play. Noli Locsin, Dr. J.
Baka magdalawang timeout na maaga si Mr. Black dito dahil 10 na lamang ang lamang ng San Miguel with 8 minutes and 40. Real king-size rally by Ginebra San Miguel.
Kanina po, pinasimula ng San Miguel ng isang 19-point lead. And Caulfield commits a foul. It's his pang-fourth ba yan? Dr. J.
Ito, mabigat ang binabantayan niya kasi si Strotters. Ang bilis ng crossover dribble. Bigla nag-shift friend si
Problema si Caulfield. One is meron nato sa 11 puntos. Hasn't scored in the third quarter. But what a game Pido Harencio has played dito sa third quarter na ito.
But Caulfield has done a job of Strotters. At the same time, medyo nakakatapik na
Foul na naman. Itong problema kanina ng Ginebra. They gave up too many fouls. They now have 14 fouls. Ang San Miguel Beer meron ng isa. 8 minutes and 30 pa lamang tayo.
Nagra-rally ka man, pero if you get into penalty early, mag-free throw shooting. And San Miguel had 15 free throws given them in the first half, while Ginebra only 4.
Si Alan Kaidik who had a hot first quarter. Si EJ file out of frustration. Ito si Alan Kaidig, yung mga foul na napapangga siya, yan ang mga foul na ayaw niya dahil sa malipis ng frame, Dr. J, para talaga ito, nararamdaman niya talaga yung sakit.
Saka marami ng injury si Alan Kaidik. And this is getting late in the year.
Turnover, San Miguel Beer with 4. Dito pa lamang. Ito, muntik na naman ng isang turnover. Buti napulot ni Samboy, binigay kay Babilonia. At si Babilonia na masyal, nakakalimutan ng passport. Play the next 5 turnovers, Dr. J.
And that was certain because he managed to score off the turnover. Marlo Quinos come back to place TJ File. He's struggling with it.
Wala na. Nanlamig ng konti.
Pero nandun rin.
Pero linya, diretso.
Kulang lang ng
On that shot, Samboy Lim, high up for the rebound. Heads above everyone else with the rebound and Dr. J. Samboy.
just shows his ability to pick up rebounds on the weak side. Kay JB Gayos hindi na tapos pero nasa
Penalty na. Yan na. Ganito, 7:48 pa lamang. Nasa penalty. Over post screens nyo. Ayun, no?
ito mga kay Sampo eh. Wala siyang pinax out. Hindi na alam nasaan si Sampo eh.
Kinakapaan niya. First thing.
With Vinciso.
Itong problema nito, hindi rin nagpapagal Dr. J. Hero ang nasa pangalan ni Vinciso.
But he's gonna score. I mean, he's also a scorer and he's got a drive to the basket. So that's gonna help him score. Even if he cannot make his outside shot, he drives to the basket. So malaki percentage mo when he drives to the basket.
So different appearance sa palitan. Pinapakita ng San Miguel Beer. Leading the ball, handers up high. 10 seconds to Scofield. Off si Marlo. Kaso, ang tira niya mahina. Pinapik ni Scofield. Ako, ang tapo Scofield. Kagagawin siya ng 4 na fouls. Pero sungit pa rin yung bola.
Drop pass sa kanya pero he got the ball not in the right shooting position. Kaya hindi niya naman correct. Hindi niya maipagsak agad yung ball para i-jump shot.
60-48, 12. Ito si Strothers. Umatake. Ang kanyang tira, aray. Nako.
Pagsak na naman.
At si Strothers, nang iibag ng paa. Ito si Noli Locsin. 3-point play opportunity. Susubukan niya kumpletuhin. At mukhang ulting bumabalik ang Ginebra. Nakakatakot ito. Ang hirap tigilin ng bagyo kapag ito nagsisimula.
Well, that's the reason why they have a lot of fans. Because their fans give up on them. You know, they've struggled through the years. They've been in last place almost every year. They found the right team, the right chemistry to understand the opportunities. Alam natin sa first conference, sa second conference, may mga games ako na hindi nila pasok. Yun ang mga hindi nila natututunan pa. Na itong mga game na ito, katulad itong game ngayong araw, do or die ka, mamatay ka ng manalo dito.
Pero ito, do or die, Dr. J. Nabitawan bola, pasok free throw.
But he could possibly to the three-point play. Murong Sinoli Locsin, there's the foul.
Excellent body control. Yun ang sinasabi natin kanina na ipipihit pa yung katawan niya. Pero i-foul si Noli, pinapila yung kanyang kaso.
Kasi paatras si Noli, trying to get out of this way. Kasi ang team ni Noli na ilang na niya. Nakita mo ba, nakabunga ka.
Nag-aalangan na.
Ball game, that's hit and drive. Hindi pa he can get easy shot or he can get foul. Go to the free throw line.
63-51 ang San Miguel Beer still in control of this ball game. Pinag-uusapan kanina yung kupunan ng Ginebra, no, kung ano yung kanilang natutunan doon sa past 2 conference. And Dr. J, ang laging hinahabol ng Ginebra, alam ko na-explain natin kanina yan. Itong ball game na ito, gaano kahalaga, lalong-lalo sa kupunan na ito, ano ang hinahabol nila sa game na ito? Bakit importante sa
to be
kanila?
first or second. And right now, because the quotient is better, if they beat San Miguel, the only guys that can hide them, or at least beat them an outright third, will be Alaska and Shell. And right now, they have a better quotient than those two teams. So, almost automatic na sila pag nanalo sila. But, they played so poorly from the first half. It's really how they play the second half if they have any chance of beating San Miguel.
Nakapuhunan po ang San Miguel na marami sa first half.
Is kasi alam.
Ito, simula ito, yung sinasabi ni Dr. J na drought aba. Konting si Cofield, and excellent break yan, good break yan, ha? Almost committing his fifth personal foul.
A little push at the back, good shot.
Vinciso still scoreless in this ball game
Except for the free throw.
Wala pa rin yung kanyang field goal. Open the back, Marlo Aquino nakikipagpakpakas, sinipalpal ni Strothers. And Strothers yung Aquino ng tinginan.
Wala.
Pero wala yan.
Very good.
Alam nila yung kontrolin yung sarili nila.
This is really a good display of sportsmanship. Before this play, nag-aawat dalawas pa. Tinawat pa nga ni Paili Desmayan. And
Ito tayo niya magkakatikitan sila. O yun, no?
pero
Second
okay
motion.
lang. Okay lang, partner. Sabi mo.
Yun ang mark ng mga players na kontrolado kami naman si sarili. Importante sa ligang ito yan makakontrol dahil isang kamali mo dito sa liga to. Goodbye, bakasyon, caroling ang pupuntahan mo. Tama, malapit dapat si Dr. J. Marami ba nangangaroling sa inyo?
Ako makipagkaroling.
Kailangan natin
Wala na kaming 13 man. Wala pa rin investment.
53-54 ang ating score. Sa oras sa
Hindi sabi ko ito niya, Dolly. Kaya hindi na tayo.
Ito si Alan Gaynor. Center na naman Dr. J. Ito na buhaya pero bin season. At sinabi ng mga referee, mapupunta ito sa panig ng San Miguel dahil last touch, actually last kick si bin season.
Correct. Good call. And both referees were coming from the backcourt and the one in the front court were ready to make the same call.
Kita. Nasipa talaga.
No question. Nice move by Samboy.
Crossover ni Samboy at kinukontra niya yung pagbalipag niya. Samboy Lim has 17 big points dito sa ballgame na ito. Cofield dilaglag si Marlo Aquino. Marlo Aquino, 3-point play! Sayang yung tinira ni Samboy dahil siya rin ang makakapag-foul kay Marlo.
But he had no choice. Hindi naman niya tao yan. Pumulong lang siya dahil maganda na return pass ni Cofield.
Si Marlo Aquino buhayin ang kanyang kupunan. Ito Dr. J yung excellent fake. Papunta sa kanan, pumunta ng kaliwa. At ang Skywalker at his best. Kaso yung gugulong na naman dito.
But he picks himself up very quickly. You know, Samboy is noted for that. Pag nakatira siya ng maganda, he picks himself up. He likes to play defense when he's shooting well. That's very important in his game. And Ginebra has made a big comeback. Make no joke, kalahati pa lang tayo dito sa quarter na ito. 8 na lamang yung lamang ng San Miguel Beer.
And that's two at the highest 23 kanina po sa second quarter.
Legal defense dahil si Marlo. Correct.
Late yung double team. Nakikita siya ng tao. And that's technical. Ay, hindi. Warning pa lang to. Sapagkat ito pa lamang ang unang pagkakataon na itinawag yung warning ngayon sa legal defense.
In the first game between Mobile and Santos, there were a lot of calls of this nature. It was a very nice match. You know, so much better than this one if you look at the terms of the end game. Pero so far, ito naman, ang daming excitement at hindi pa tapos ito, no?
After making of another classic dito po sa Cuneta Astro. Patrick Strothers losing the handle. And Strothers frustrated.
Pero good defense ni Cofield yan. He was able to knock the ball away, no? Na hindi na makontrol ni Strothers.
Nakakaramdam ba ng nervous, Dr. Jing, sa team kung ganyan lamang mo
yes,
mahabol ito?
definitely. The pressure is always on the team ahead, lalo na pag rinaratsada ka ng kalaban. At alam mo, di kalibre rin naman yung kalaban mo, di ba?
Ito si Cofield, changing pace. Bukas si Harencio. Sinetak ni Cofield. 3-point shot, wala. Rebound, Marlo Aquino. Over the back, foul. Si Dignadice. Dito hinahanap ni Coach Rondak si Art de la Cruz. But Art de la Cruz, doubtful kung makakabalik siya because of a sprained right ankle.
Yan ang masakit ngayon sa San Miguel. Without Art de la Cruz and Nelson Aceitono not playing well, they have a lot of problems. They don't really have that much big men. Ang swerte nga nila, hindi maganda laro ni EJ Tyle.
Yun, tama
Pag
na po.
nagsabay yung dalawang yan, maganda laro na. Lalo silang mabubugbog doon sa loob ngayon.
Nagkukumpul-kumpul ang San Miguel Beer sa isang side. At pinag-uusapan kung paano natin titigil itong Ginebra.
We call that a T. Little small conversation. And in this case, you know, this might turn out to be a big meeting, panel meeting.
Kailangan nila yan, Dr. J. Dahil may problema sila dito. Ang kanilang malamang ay nababawasan na. Unti-unting tinatakap.
Yeah.
Ito si Marlo Aquino missing the free throw at Cofield for the rebound.
Cofield really knows where to go to. In the last play, binalikan niya siya, nag-miss na siya. Ito na si Noli Lacsin. We have a loose ball foul. It might be on Strothers. Yes.
Strothers.
It is on
Tatawagan ng
Strothers.
foul, Dr. J. Yan, panonoorin natin sa slow-mo para mas malinaw sa atin. And ito ang mga fans ng Ginebra dito sa lower level section na nagkakasayahan ng konti.
Well, naunang tumalon si Noli Lacsin. And he had the ball up in the air. Inatrasan siya ni Strothers and knocked the ball out of his hands. Kaya siya natawagan ng foul.
No? Dahil
You don't see him complaining.
yung sandal,
actually.
yung sandal ang pinag-uusapan.
Nagkaano pa? Hindi, hindi APEC meeting ito. Summit meeting sa middle na naman yung mga players. Nag-uusap-usap pa.
Kailangan nila dahil kuha na nila yung bola, makakabawi na sana sila. Ngayon, ang problema nila, 6 na lang ang lamang nila. Kanina, nagsimula ang ating third quarter. Meron pa silang naidagdag na konti. Nag-inisip din lang sila.
Correct.
Patay sila ngayon dahil ito ang Ginebra bumabangon dahan-dahan. Noli Lacsin making free throws at ikalawang timeout na yata yan ni Norman Black dito sa quarter na ito. Magpapalit po kami.
Lang hangover. Sakto ang White Castle Whiskey.
Ayun, nakita nyo kung papaano ang bolang wala na ay na-score pa.
That was
Lamont Strotter.
That's a great effort on the part of Samboy to keep that ball alive. Outside na yun, if he didn't make that diving save, no, to keep the ball alive, no. And that was good timeout because it goes back to 7 ang lamang ng San Miguel.
Na-break nila ng konti ang momentum na ito. May steal pa Montek si Alan Kaidik. And Alan Kaidik using his quick hands. Problema nila, meron silang 5 segundo lamang para ipukul ang isang tira.
Well, with guys like Caulfield in season, that's not a problem. Let's throw it up.
Titira yan, walang hiyaya.
Let's throw it up. Let's throw it up. There's no problem. Plenty to spare, kumbaga sa ano. Walang problema yan. Kailangan talaga, didikitan mo yan. Dahil alam mo yan ang titira
Yan ang pupukol dyan.
ba't mo papabayaan mag-dribble at makaporma ng gano'n?
Si Caulfield has 10 points in the ball game. That's first two dito sa ating second half. Strotters umatake.
Yes.
And si Strotters simply unstoppable sa ball game na to. He already has 22 big points.
At the same time, he is operating against a man who has 4 personal fouls. So he knows that if he takes him hard to the hoop, the guy's gonna lay off.
Mag-iingat. Ito si Caulfield. Yung pa rin yung movement ng Ginebra na limitado. Bagsak si Alan Kaidik. Tumira si Harenzo bukas. Hindi na nakahabol si Alan dahil nakahiga na din sa sahig.
And again, Alan having some problems bringing himself. That's why Alan does not fight screens well. Lalo na kung malaking player ang i-screen para sa kanyang
Saratan siya.
Oo, dahil pag nabangga siya, ayaw siya.
Alan Kaidik faking. Binigay sa partner niya si Samboy Lim. Samboy Lim bibigay kay Alan. Alan is free. Taking to
Oh, he was knocked down. He was knocked down. Foul. Yes, he was knocked down there by Harenzo.
Ito Harenzo reacting and Alan Kaidik making sure na nakita yung foul na yun.
Yeah.
Alan will now take 3 free throw shots off that foul by Pido Harenzo. Ito tingnan natin ulit. May foul. May foul yun.
Gets him on the arm.
Malinis yan. Malinis na foul, hindi malinis na sipalpal. Baka masabing malinis na sipalpal eh.
But Harenzo's been playing so well, he gets a little bit frustrated.
Pero dapat hindi niya papayaang masira ang laro niya yan. He has scored 12 points. A dozen of points dito sa ating third quarter lang na ito.
2 triple Bs, 2 layups, and a nice jump shot.
Si Commander. Commander ni Alam.
Si Milot ba yun? Si batang-bata itsura, parang wala pang anak.
Yan po si Ma'am Minot ni paring Alan.
Milot ni Jesus.
Jesus, dalawa ng anak ni Alan Kaidik. Parehong babae.
Kaidik has not been scoring. He did not score in the second quarter, and these are his first points in the third quarter.
So, kanina na-mention mo, nagulat niya ako. Tamang-tama yung sinabi mo. First 2 quarter, Alan Kaidik shoots well. Third, fourth quarter, nagli-lay off. O nagli-lay off sa problema niya.
Well, the defense gets a little bit tighter. Cofield's beginning to get hot. Ganun rin siya ng first game. Nakita mo ilang puntos lang yan sa first half. Tapos nagtapos siya, 33, ganyan. He's beginning to warm up, get to know the court a little bit and, get the right feel. Woo, what a pass.
Eto, pero naagaw ni Pido Harenzo. Ang ganda sana ng kanyang pag-pick. Ito bukas si Caulfield. Alam nila kung sinong mainit. Tumira si Caulfield. Ito, wala na.
Ooh.
And Dong Polistico for the rebound.
That was a nice rebound there by Polistico, making sure Marlo doesn't come into the picture. That's a foul.
Wala na magagawa si Pido Harenzo doon. Si Samboy Lim, basta nakatingin niya sa ring. Wala nang ibang gagawin niya kundi umatake. And Pido Harenzo knows that. Matagal sila nagsama. May timeout si Norman Black, magbabalik kami.
Be exact para pumasok yun.
Ang hirap ng pektos na yun. Dapat maraming tisa para kumagat ang pektos.
Patay si
Marlo.
Swerte si Polistico na hindi pumasok yun dahil
Ito si Marlo na ito, may soft touch. Ito yung mga tao kanina, malungkot-lungkot. Pero karamihan sa kanila ngayon, nakangiti dahil konti na lang yung nailalamang sa kanila. At ayan, yung iba sa kanila, nagugulat pag nakikita yung mga mukha nila sa television. Dahil
pero yung San Miguel rin, yung fans, they're not giving up on their team. They did not expect them to play that well in the first half, so maski na paano, they've still maintained a lead. They've hung on to a lead.
ito, missing his first free throw, the front end of 2 free throw shot. Marlo Aquino, Dr. J.
Look at this shot. Hirap na tira ito.
High off the glass, ang tira, aba.
Parang chamba na rin.
May halo na, pero ang hirap ng tirang yun. Dalawang free throw, wala. And Polistico stays that rebound with authority.
That's what happens to Marlo when he begins to get tired. He begins to miss his free throw shot and he becomes doubtful of his own shots.
Wala nang confidence pag napapagod, tukod siya. Si EJ File has missed a lot of minutes dito si Strotters sa 4 straight points. At parang bumbero ito.
So there's a mismatch there with Caulfield with 4 fouls. And Caulfield, there's no way he can guard Strotters at low post. And San Miguel saw that, so they went to that.
Si Marlo Aquino having a tough time against Pulistico. Ito si Caulfield ang maganda ring bagay.
I really like the way he drives to the basket. He has very quick movement and marami siyang tira. He can lay it up, you know, he has a nice yung parang soft touch na scoop shot.
And he knows how to protect that ball. Ginagamit yung balikat niya. Ito, matakas si Strothers. Aling na puntos ba? Hindi. Nasundot ang bola. Nakuha. Rinoli Locsin na foul by Sam Williams. Useless. Pwede natin sabihin dahil unang-una, Noli Locsin na had inside track of that ball.
Yeah. But, you know, it's hard to say a player wag mong gawin yan
Pero,
because sometimes instinct yan.
instinct,
Alam mo yan,
tama.
you see the ball still loose, hindi naman yan.
Sumusupit din,
May pagkakataon, baka sakali makuha ko ito, layup ito, o kami makaka-layup. But 33.8 seconds in a very eventful third quarter where both teams so far have committed 9 defensive or loose ball fouls at least, no? Excluding yung mga offensive fouls yan.
Kapatid, saan bumuwenta itong Ginebra kanina?
Well, I think the defense. The defense caused 4 early turnovers and they scored on all of those turnovers. 2 layups by Herencio, 1 3-point shot, 1 jump shot. From then on, nagkaroon sila ng buhay. And then, you know, Marlo Aquino beginning to come to life. Locsin has been there steady and Caulfield beginning to hit some shots. Some extra motion na medyo nagagalit ang tao. Pero, sila tayo, partner.
All part of the game. Ito si Strothers fade away. Wala. Rebound. Noli Locsin nabitawan. Nahawakan ni Caulfield. Pukol. Huli ni Frankie Lin.
It's not a good pass.
Bukas si Babylonia.
Sambo is hurt on the sideline, ha? He's asking for the ball. Baka may dugo. May dugo.
Napagsakan yata ng siko ni Noli Locsin. Si Noli Locsin, pagka rumilipad yan, minsan, talagang nakatuon yung siko at palagi ko, kinaman si Sam Willing. And Sam Willing is bleeding as of the moment. He's down on all fours. Masakit ang tama. May tama si Samboy. Still down. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung dugo. Tinitignan sa forehead din naman si Samboy.
Yes,
Ang tapas din si Samboy. Malaki ang tama. Itong din, may bandang kanan. Taas ng kilay.
Parang hindi mo sasabihin tough, you know, kung hindi nito na referee, hindi pa nga niya yung bola.
Tama ito.
Hininto yung referee, doon na siya.
Dinalam niya kung may dugo. Nung nakita niya may dugo, hihingin niya yung bola sana. Pero wala nang magagawa. He has to be taken out para pigilin ng pagdudugo. Mahirap ito dahil si Ard de la Cruz is down with the sprained right ankle. Ngayon si Sam William Pang may tamang isa.
So far, Nelson hasn't played well and he's also in foul trouble. So, ang dami nilang problema. Kulang na kulang sila ng tao actually na. Wala pa si Paul Alves, wala si Kumari.
Mahirap ito nakayuan ng technical na ito. Strothers daw being double team. Nasundot ang bola in Caulfield. Ang tapang ng namang ito. Binato ni Marlo Aquino. Hindi napapasok yan. At the end of the first 3 quarters, nagising na ang Ginebra. Pero ang San Miguel, hanging tough, 78-73. Nakarating na po tayo sa ating fourth and final quarter. 12 minuto lamang po. Kapit kayo. At lilipad na tayo para sa ating huling quarter ng ating main game. Eto, steal na naman. And Vince Eason going all the way and slamming it home.
Well, really ang ginagawa ni Eason is also his frustration at not being able to hit the outside shot. Pero gusto niya talaga ma-pop up ang kanyang team and at the same time their fans. They've cut the lead down to only 3 points at this point. No? And they have the momentum of this ball game. Kaitek, no more. Ayaw na pumasok.
Wala na, naubos na yata. And Tigdadiso, tatawagan ng loose ball foul.
Napatalo ng buong San Miguel bench, including birthday boy NB.
Normal lang sa mga birthday. Ito, hindi niya malaman kung saan nanggaling yung foul na yon. At still,
sabi niya, let's take a look at this possible ground air shot of the day.
kandidato na yan.
Or the one of Lamont Stratters.
Pwede rin ako.
Grabe yun.
Baka yun yung play of the day natin. Ito si Locsin. Matake. Pinipit ang bola. Wala.
Foul.
Rebound kay Babylonia at foul yan
That's a
si
good call.
Locsin.
Yeah, he tried to reach in after he missed the shot. Didn't even know where the ball was.
Ika-apat ito ni Noli Locsin. Si Noli Locsin may problema ng konti. He has to check his foul.
He got really frustrated there, but look at the big quarter of Ginebra. No? After 2 very mediocre quarters, a 36-point output
Grabe yun, 36
against
na yun.
22. 14 ang nabawi nila doon sa quarter na yun. No? And got themselves quickly back in the ballgame.
They're just down by 3 points dito sa puntong ito after a high ng 21. Ito, follow-up ni Strothers. At ito talaga, ang bumbero para sa San Miguel. Hindi yung bumbero nag-ubad. Yung tagapatay sunog yan.
Yeah, correct.
Baka naman iniisip ko. Hindi. Baka sabihin ba, hindi yata bumbero yan. Pamatay sunog. Okay, tapos. Ito si Caulfield. kanyang pasa, naantala, na-anticipate ito of a double team ni Babylonia. Ito si Caulfield, nagising na konti sa third quarter. He had 14 points.
Kasi
6 points double team.
ito medyo nakakatulong.
Sison,
Medyo buhay na yan. Nakalayap na, nakadak na yan.
buhayan na.
Dadating na talaga ito.
Kumbaga, umikot na yung dugo. Frankie Lim against Val David. Ito si Frankie Lim ngayon, orchestrating.
Naku, makulit yan si Val David. And Franklin lets go of the ball quickly.
Struthers missing. Rebound kay Caulfield. Si Caulfield tinitignan ng kanyang court. Sinisurvey niya. Siya yung umatake. Wala. Rebound nakuha ni Val David. Nasa sakit ni Frankie Lim and foul on Frankie Lim.
This is the game of Ginebra San Miguel. And San Miguel really should not go into this kind of
Sumabay.
game. Yung running, ratsyada eh. Alam mo, dyan ang gusto ng Ginebra.
Kaya sinasabi natin Dr. J kanina, ang reason kung bakit hindi makaporma ang Ginebra sa first half. Dahil kinontrol lang San Miguel yung pace.
And they were able
Half-court game,
half-court shooting from the three-point territory was kaidik. So, everything was going well for them. Pero yung nag-miss ngayon sila ng tira, so take a look at ang commissioner, at ang aming presidente, si Mr. Ricky Velez, kasama ko kagabi yan. Sa ambassador tayo kumain with Amang. Very nice fellow, Amang Graciaga. Very accommodating. Lahat ng waiters, lahat ng tao. Okay, picture taking tayo, walang problema yan. Real nice fellow.
Ang bagay po, isa sa mga barkada natin sa NBA na binimisita sa atin, si Ahmad Rasap. Teka muna.
Isa na lamang ang labang
Dr.
ng
J.
San Miguel.
Ang tindi ng comeback na ito. Kaidik 3-point shot. Ang damig na nga sa along kay Dr. J.
Nakuha
Super
niya.
predicted.
The statistics come in early but it doesn't last.
Naka-boundary nga pero hindi na kumita.
Oh, that's not enough. Anak natin ito. Marami ka. Yung mga taxi driver dyan
Oo.
nakikinig sa amin. Baka hindi nga pala pwede.
Hindi
Pero
pwede.
kung nasa bahay kayo, salamat.
Ito umikot. Wala. Ayun! Ang go-ahead basket na hinahabol ng Ginebra. They're on top by 1 point. 81-80. Magbabalik po kami.
The official outfitter of the PBA, Fila, changed the game.
Itong atake ni Vincison na magbibigay sa Ginebra ng lamang sa tulong ni Locsin sa kanyang follow-up.
Noli has been a very steady player the whole night. The others have begun to pick up. We have Val David there. Bumalik na rin si Nelson Asaitono para sa San Miguel there. So Samboy Lim is back in the floor and Samboy continues to have his best game of this conference.
Ito ang pinakamagandang laro pinapakita natin. Ang Samboy Lim, pinakita kahit na iputok niya sa lipat ng kilay sa bandang kanang noon niya.
Well,
Ito, skywalking move.
nagsasalita tayo ng matapang. This is one of the bravest players that we have seen in the PBA and there is a certification to that.
Wala na.
May guarantee yan.
Mabalian
May
at
guarantee yan. Guaranteed by good housekeeping.
today, a markup of 15 points si Samboy Lim. Yun ang sinasabi nating playing the game of his life.
I mean, he's really playing very tough. He's playing very strong, compared to the other players right now. Isolation play para kay Caulfield. Yun ang kanyang stick. Oh, pero nandiyan na yung kamay niya. He's a second half player.
Nagpipacing mo yun?
No, it's not that. He doesn't get the range immediately. Siyempre,
Kakapay mo
four
eh.
base pa lang dito yan.
Nahihilo-hilo pa yan ngayon.
And he's guarded Struthers real well,
Despite the 4 foul.
I mean, he showed some defense. Sabi naman niya sa interview niya.
He can stop, oh.
I got some decent. Hindi naman niya sinasabi magaling decent.
Inawanan pa nga niya yung nag-i-interview sa kanya.
I'm just joking.
Pero dito, hindi na biro-biro to. We have a tight ball game at ito na naman.
Gagamitan ng speed ni David yan.
Aba!
Dahil si Alan talaga hanggang ganyan lang depensa niyan eh. Gagamitan ng speed yan dahil umalis si Caulfield. Buti bumalik pa nga si Struthers.
Ang bilis na pihit si Val David, scoring his first 2 points. Oh no, it's 6 points of the ball game, Dr. J. Ito na naman si Samboy. Pinatay na naman si Marlo Aquino.
What a move by Samboy against Season.
5 straight points itong si Samboy. At despite yung help ni Marlo Aquino, hindi nila mapigil ang Skywalker.
Yeah, because Samboy is feeling it. He's feeling it. Nararamdaman. I got it.
The force is with him. Sabi nga
Yeah,
natin, di ba? Ito. Short on that shot. Pinilit ni Val David. Nakuha ni Struthers ang bola. Lamang ng dalawa ang Ginebra. Panabla nasa kamay ng San Miguel.
No, it's tied up now.
Tabla. Sorry about the slip. Ang tira, wala.
Good luck.
Ito.
Soy!
Binangga ni Alan Gairic si Baldavid.
No intention to hurt, obviously.
Pinigil niya dahil alam niya natatakbo na si Baldavid eh. At saka tao niya, papatayin na naman siya.
Alam na alam ni Butcher sa NFL, you know. Wala naman dirty
Tackle ang
foul
tawag
after.
natin.
Oh.
Ayan, tapos sasaluhin niya. Ayun, sinalo agad ni Alan Gairic.
What a ball game this has been with still 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Isa na lamang ang timeout ng San Miguel at saka isang 20-second timeout. Ang Ginebra, tatlo and a 20. Cofield.
Marlo Aquino for the rebound, and that's the lead para sa kupunan ng Ginebra again, 87-85.
That's something that Babylonia could not do against Marlon now, which he did earlier. At the same time, which Polistico does well against Marlon. Nababox out niya properly.
Ito si Samboy, nakaligtas na naman. Bumitis
Foul.
sa ere. At ayan, alam niyang paano kumuha ng foul. At si Gayoso, madaling kulang nga ng foul yan.
Well, JP was put in there by Coach Jaworski Gino para kasi nalusutan si Dean Season. Pero si JB, pag na-fake ni Samboy, kumakagat na, nauunahan na. So, ang ginagawa niya, humahampas na kaagad yun.
Papakomit agad siya.
Ito mo yung mga scars on the shoulders of Samboy Lin.
At madadagdagan pa yun ngayon, pati sa loob, meron ng mga buya.
That's a battle-scarred player.
Sobra. Kumbaga sa gera, marami ng tama itong mamang ito.
May purple heart niya.
Medal of Valor.
Congressional Medal of Honor. Ganyan.
Samboy Lin making his first, his second free throw. Splitting the free throws, 87-86 para sa Ginebra.
14 seconds, out of time, isolation play now for Cofield. Tries to get himself in the scoring position. Looks for Gayoso, wide open sa 3-point territory.
Patay!
But talagang pumutok ang mga gwardiya ng Ginebra San Miguel dito sa second half. Si Gayoso, si Pido Harencio, si Dean Season, si Baldavid at si Cofield. Pumutok talaga dito sa second half.
Well, ina-anticipate siguro ni Coach Norman Blackya, pero nang magsabay-sabay, nagbago. Ito, a foul by Cofield and
Nakakatawa nga dahil ang foul niya hindi pa kay kay
Hindi Strotter, kinig na dito pa. Pero itong mamang to, second gear, foul. Inalagaan niya maigi yan. Inalalayan niya at ang tagal nga niya karga yung 4 fouls niya yun. Ngayon niya lang nadapot yung ikalima.
Correct. Si Gayoso makes the mistake of guarding Samboy. He's trying to cover the right, but he puts out the left. Hindi yun eh. You cover the right with your whole body, not with your knee. And he fouls out.
Goodbye ka na. 6 foul. Kandidato sa graduation. Pumasok na si Gayoso sa bench. Papasok si Hison para paltan si Gayoso. But not after scoring a 3-point shot. Si Gayoso lalabas ng court na merong naitalang 10 puntos. So nagawa niya na yung dapat niyang gawin. Pinahinga si Cofield, and this could be a time for him, for San Miguel, no, para magbaga. Walang import yung kalaban.
They have two. They have no choice. 5 fouls with 6 minutes 14. Hindi pwede yan. And si Samboy goes to the right. He loves to go to the right.
Ayun, naku, pinutak na eh.
Patay.
Nabasa na. Ito si Hison, de diretso.
Ball! Scotters. No. Sabi ni Scotters. No layup here.
Not on my house, not in my face.
Tinignan niya si Isan, ha? Pagkatapos na si Palpan.
Binigyan ng mensahe. Tira, wala. Rebound si Digdadice. Digdadice. Hindi, may kasama ng arte yun.
Wala na yun.
Masyado namang manipis si Digdadice para papagsakin si Noli. Si Hison at saka si Strotters na naman at ang referee. Akala mo referee ng Bo Holyfield eh. Teka muna, bago ating pag-usapan yung Holyfield Tyson na yan, merong isang mas magandang boxing. Palagay ko Dr. J, napanood mo ito dati. Sugar Ray Leonard, kalaban si Wilfred Benitez. Teka muna, ito muna, panoorin natin kung paano kukuyugin. Ito si Samuel Lin. Tignan mo kung paano siya palpal. Marlo Aquino.
Perfect.
Shot blocker supreme. Ito, maatake na. Ginebra. May mga technical na itatawag.
Ito.
And Vince Season, pinutata. Ayun, binura yung tira niya.
Tapos he kept on looking at Vince Season, kaya medyo nagkakatibo na. And I'm sure he said some words. I remember, of course, we all know who Sugar Ray Leonard was. But if you know, Wilfredo Benitez, if I'm not mistaken, Dominican Republic was one of the youngest champions during his time. And he was one of the toughest. Medyo ang kanyang style, medyo very deliberate. He's not a very fast boxer like Sugar Ray. But I really admired Wilfredo Benitez. Ang dami niya yung Super Bowl, ang dami niya, mapapanood mo dyan. Yung mga magagaling, katulad ni Alexis Arguello. Yan, gusto ko yung laban ni Alexis Arguello sa ni Pryor. Pryor. Ako, pinanood ko yan. Ako. Bilangin mo yan, 47 suntok yan na hindi nakasagot si Argelio.
Ganun kabilis, ha?
Nandun kami ni Aaron James, pinanonood namin yan eh. I remember.
Live mo pinanood to, Dr. J?
No, we saw it here. Hindi ko kami
Akala ko pumunta ka Las Vegas doon eh.
Hindi.
Pero anyway, dito pupunta tayo sa ating boxing sa loob ng basketball court. Matinding laban, round for round. Bukbugan pong umatikabo. At ngayon, naidikit ng konti ng San Miguel ang lamang to just 2 points. Yan pong laban na pinag-uusapan namin ni Dr. J. Sugar Ray versus Wilfred Benitez. Mapapanood nyo pagkatapos po ng ating TV. So, basketball na, may boxing pa. Ano pang hahanapin nyo sa Martes nyo?
Double B.
Ha? Play mo na tayo dito.
Oh, double B.
Basketball na, boxing pa. Saka super passes sa mga anticipated
Nice play.
natin. Ito naman play na ito. Super bounce, Superman. Si Val David.
Ball.
Si Flash ang tawag nila dito. Eto. Ang pamatay sunog. Naku, nabitawan ng bola. Si Dong Pulistico. Muntik magsamboy move. Tumira. Supalpal. Eto. Lilibre na naman ang Hinebra. Umatake si Noli Locsin at foul.
sabi
Si Lamont Strotter.
Alam mo, Noli, susupalpal ka, hindi po pwede sa akin yan. Ibibigay ko sa iyo katawan ko, habulin mo kamay ko.
92-88 at ang Hinebra nabuhayan bigla. Ito panoorin kung paano magsusulisit ng foul si Noli Locsin.
Dahil alam niya, magaling tumalo nito eh, kaya dinikitan niya.
Pinainan ng napakalaki. At ito ang mga fans ng Hinebra na sosobrahan na. At ang mga players ng San Miguel ay mukhang naapektuhan. Dito sa may ilalim kasi may mga fans dito na nagkukulitan. In fact, kanina, si Alang Kaidik, merong nakakainita na isang fan naman nandito sa may bandang gitna natin. All part of the game, sabi kaya natin. At ito, malaking bagay ito, Dr. J.
I really think na medyo, you know, the fans, pwede ka mga chow, pero lagay mo lang sa lugar.
Basta walang mura.
Hindi ka papansinin ng player kung nasa lugar. Pero kung wala ka sa lugar, siyempre, alalahanin mo rin na mga tao rin na. And they're playing hard to win a ball game. Siyempre,
Tumuso na, matalas
labas yan.
Second free throw ni Noli, yun ang kanyang naipasok. 5-point lead para sa Hinebra.
Their biggest lead of the ball game.
Ito na, oo. And what a time for that lead to come, Dr. J.
The whole second half so far for them.
Supalpal na naman!
And taken by Cofield, but he was stepping on the line.
At Marlo Aquino with 2 excellent blocks in the fourth quarter nito, Dr. J.
Ilang calls ba si Marlo? Apat na.
Apat.
Look
Ito yung palpal ni
at
Marlo.
this timing of Marlo. No.
Yung extension. Yung extension ng katawan. Abay, Dr. J. 8. At 4 yata dyan kay Marlo kung di ako nagkakamali.
So it's 4-1. Hindi lang nasisipal pa yata ni Marlo si Sabu.
Oh, dahil suki sa kanina eh. Strotters bumitin. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha Strotters. Tatapik. Tin comes away with that ball. Tatakbo ng Hinebra.
What an effort here by Noli Locsin. Grabe linalaw nila yan.
Mataas. Lahat ginagawa si Marlo. Sinakyan naman ni Pulistico. Nakuha ni Digdanis yung bola.
Parang outside na yun.
Mabak lang ang bola pero tuloy ang laban. Ball ng San Miguel. Humahabol ang San Miguel. Strotters. Bibigay kay Abuda. Walang makatira dito. Kulang sa offense ang San Miguel Beer. Naagaw ni Val David. Sinakyan niya si Samboy Lim sa likod.
And they are in penalties, so Samboy Lim will go to the free throw line. Good anticipation by Valdebit, pero magaling na promotekta si Samboy.
Galing, alam na, nararamdaman niya may sumasakay sa likod niya. So susulisitin niya yung foul na yan. Sali Jaworski, di pa mapasok yan sa loob.
I don't think he'll play this game, unless, maybe...
Unless necessary. No?
Unless there is completely a foul out to Cofield and just 1 or 2 plays maybe what you like to talk about it.
Nararamdaman na ni Samboy ang pagod.
He has already made a free throw earlier. He's taking strategy. Ito ba yun?
Sa Webes. Teka, mamaya na yan. Baptist lang tayo. Pero okay na, sige. NBA natin, LA Lakers at saka San Antonio Spurs. Wala pa si David Robinson. Wala rin ang free throw ni Samboy. 2. At sa NFL natin, Dallas Cowboys at saka ang Philadelphia Eagles.
That's one of the best games so far this season. We have a 22nd timeout being called.
Ito, magandang pagkakataon nito, Durag Group, with a 5-point lead. Gusto mong i-stretch ng konti ang lamang mo. Alagaan mo ang lamang o kung posible madadagdagan. And that's why itong Hinebra called this jockey 20-second timeout. Ang Dr. T talaga nagpipilit itong Hinebra na maitala yung panalo and at least assure themselves of a possible slot. Mga 70% na nasa kanila.
Because they have a better offense than Alaska and Shell. Pag natalo Alaska, di automatic na dala na rin sila.
Habang sila dalawa.
Shell, yung Alaska malulubog eh. Dahil -9 ng Alaska kumpara sa kanilang tatlo eh. So, kung natalo, even if they lose by 1 point, lalo sila malulubog. So, alam nila, this is it, They have wasted so many opportunities to make the finals, especially in the second conference. Alala mo yan. Sa Pure
Pukol
Foods.
ni, sa kayong pukol ng
Well, yun, eventually. Pero sa Pure Foods, nanalo na sila. Sa
Malaking
fourth
bagay.
quarter sila kumulat through.
Tinapon nila. I think, if I'm not mistaken, 18-point lead yata yun, Dr. J. That they wasted sa second conference na yun. Eventually caught up with them. Tinalo sila ng isang tira ni Redfield. Well, that's history at ayaw ng Ginebra ma-repeat yung history.
Let history repeat itself somewhere else.
Magpunta sa amin.
You'll never get this kind of opportunity. It will be better next year. Who knows? Baka may umalis na player dyan. Malay mo, di ba? So, kung nandiyan na eh.
Caulfield serving. Siya na ang gagawa ng move. Umatake. Wala ang bola. Rebound. Nakuha ni Caulfield muli. Napitawan niya. Nakuha ni Samboy. Tumatakbo si Dignarice. Muntik mapitawan ng bola. Si Strothers. Sinakyan ng tatlo. Ando si Abuda libre.
Yes.
Ayun ang ganda na execution.
Ginebra's fast break defense did not work that play. 3 of them went to 2 players, leaving the other side wide open. Caulfield making the mistake of attacking after the rebound without bringing the ball out.
Si Baldavid.
Uy,
Napitawan
foul.
mo foul.
Oh, sinampa sa likod eh.
Si Baldavid, alam mong pagkatake niya, pag isinaksak niya yung kaliwang balikat niya, ready na yan umatake. Si Strothers may problema ng konti.
5 na rin.
Lima na ang karga-karga niya.
Both teams will now be in the penalty, that being San Miguel's 5th foul. Pero the imports are now sa parehong barko. That is same boat.
Pareho silang tagilid na ma-knockout dito sa laban na ito. Tinutukuran ni Babylonia si Aquino. Aquino making a smooth nilagay ang bola sa lapi ng ring.
Kaya niya si Babylonia. Alam na alam ni Aquino, kayang-kaya niya. Hirap siya konti kay Polistico dahil mabigat ang kamay konti
Hindi niya
ni Polistico.
maitulak.
Oo.
Strothers. Parehong import. Merong tigdimang personal foul.
Switch off there. Magka-screenan. So, mas magkaan ang guardia niya.
10 seconds to shoot si Strothers against Sarenzo. Ang floating jumper wala. Rebound. Digadice. Nakuha ang bola pero andun si Locsin. And comes away with the rebound si Caulfield. Ito si Pido Harenzo. Atake. Binigay kay Locsin. Locsin. Wala ang tira niya. Foul si Samboy Lim.
Oh, Ginebra's running game now in full display. Dito. Ayan, gandang pasahan yan. And Samboy really just tries to play defense but he can't stop Locsin who was a step ahead of him. No?
Ito si Noli Locsin. Talaga nagpapakamatay si Samboy Lim. Ayun ang storya ng buhay niya. Isa lang ang bright spot, Dr. J. Ano nangyari kay Alan Kaidik?
Ano nangyari kay Nelson Aceton
Ano pa
dito
isa?
sa ball game na ito?
Binalik.
Lalo na sa second half. Ang sama ng laro ni Nelson. Naumpisa ng dalawang fouls at saka nawala na. Meanwhile, Locsin also has been missing free throws. It's a sure sign that he is tired.
Ito yung Alan Kaidik. Last ditch stand ito. At Dr. J, sinabi mo kanina, madali itulak si Babylonia. Pinasok ni Norman Black sa Polistico.
Well, it's very clear as a coach. If this guy is going to continue to get layup, I'm going to sit you down on the bench. At the same time, he has now 2 shooters besides the import on the floor in the persons of Kaidik and Samboy Lit. No, he misses
wala.
both.
At nakuha ni Strothers ang bola.
So those misses could spell disaster in the end. Yun ang perimeter shooting in the second half na San Miguel. Not only miserable, terrible. Alan, libre! Wala pa rin. Ayan pa rin si Noli.
Si Noli Locsin pulled down his 8th rebound of the ball game.
And Noli has really played a great game. He has kept his team here in the first half. And now, you know, ang effort niya is A. Kumbaga sa
Sobra. Oh, Dr. J. May medalya ito para sa atin. Baldavid missing this shot and Strothers for the rebound. Loose ball foul.
Polistico
Natawag.
pushing off against Marlo.
Useless foul, ha, Dr. J.
Pero kitang-kita eh.
Kita, sakit na yan eh. Hindi niya maiwasan yan eh.
Pero kung hindi niya ginano, baka makuha ni Marlo ang rebound. Kaya siniguro niya. Ayan, ayan. Napunta na si Marlo rin.
Kaya nakaangat si Strothers and had the lane all to himself. And Marlo Aquino taking a crucial free throw shot. Lima ang abante ng Ginebra. Oras, 2 minutes, 21 seconds.
So these are crucial free throws and that's long. They've missed 3 in a row right now.
Tigit yan, Dr. J.
Alam mo, they could have been leading by 8.
By 8 points, yes. Crucial free throw shots being missed ng Ginebra dito sa ating final
Hindi
stretch.
pa rin nagta-timeout. He has 3. You know, his players are tired. They need a timeout.
Taking that free throw, si Norman Black naman.
Wala na, isa na lang natitira.
Oh, ay meron siyang atang 20 seconds.
120.
Strothers. Matake ay nakakakuha ng foul.
He's gonna be on Harencio.
At si Strothers, alam niya kung paano siya magsusulitin ng foul.
Only Locsin. 5 na rin.
Dalawa si Strothers. Si Strothers has 30 points in the ball game. At ito yung kaisa-isang bright spot at saka si Samboy Lim.
Pero matagal na rin hindi umi-score ito. Matagal na rin nagpahinga ito dahil nahirapan sa depensa ng Ginebra.
Yung mga tama niya early on, naramdaman niya ng fourth quarter, sumakit yung balakang,
Correct.
sumakit yung tagiliran.
I think Caulfield was also guarding him well, forcing him to wherever Marlo Aquino is. Kaya inaabot siya ni Marlo na sa pagtutulong eh.
Na walang free throw, na-rebound, nakuha naman ni Pido Horencio. Di ba ang abante ng Ginebra, 96-91.
Both teams beginning to miss free throw shots in the end game.
Ang last 2 minutes ay hatid sa inyo ng Tanduay Junior Lapad. Tanduay Ram, the number 1 ram. Caulfield missing this one.
That was
and
a
rebound.
very crucial shot, pare. Madali yun, ha? Madali yun.
Hindi nila inubos na konti oras. It's Strothers looking at the basket. Thinking three, this one is short.
Nahulilak
Isang,
sila yan.
pagod na tira, Dr. J. Isang pagod na tira.
Hihingi ng timeout siguro ito si Jaworski pagkat cross. Yan. They need the timeout.
Okay, magpapalik po kami ni Dr. J. Two-man game. Nakalusot si Baldavid. Patay!
Ang gandang play na ginawa nila doon dahil alam nila mabagal si Polistico mag-switch off, eh, no?
Sobrang ganda ng laro nito. Ito si Alan Kaidig has struggled dito sa second half. Strothers 3-point shot.
No.
Wala, patay. Goodbye na para sa San Miguel Beer.
It's very, very possible at this
Jay?
stage. Yeah, only 71 seconds, down by 7. Bola ng Ginebra. They played an excellent second half here. And San Miguel has crumbled here in the second half. Their offensive game has gone to Baguio.
Wala na, di na malaman. Ito, bukas pa si Barlo. Wala ang kanyang tira. And Strothers, pumasok sa loob si Alan Kaidik. And Alan Kaidik has struggled. And Dr. J, yun na siguro ang magtuturo sa atin kung ano ang best word to describe Alan Kaidik and San Miguel Beer. Kung ano, nag-struggle sila.
Yes, in the second half, walang field goal yata si Alan Kaidik. Only 3 free throws on a foul on a 3-point shot. Now he'll go to the free throw line for free throws again. Pero walang field goal when they needed it most.
Si Alan Kaidik struggling in this ball game. Hirap na hirap sa Dr. J.
Pero binibigyan ako kay Caulfield. He's a very, not naman ordinary and not extraordinary. Pero yung depensa niya really helped the team. And his court sense.
Magalaking bagay yun. Ito, running down the clock. Itong kubunan ng Ginebra, 100-93 ang ating score. 7 ang abante ng Ginebra San Miguel. Kontra sa San Miguel Beer. Ito, nakaligtas pa. Strothers, tumira ng 3-point shot. Wala na talaga. Ubus na ang mga bala ng San Miguel Beer. Ipinasa pa ni Samboy kay Caulfield. And Caulfield, makakawa pa ng foul si Alan Gaydick. May mga pag-asa ni San Miguel pero wala na eh. Parang nakayuko na sila.
Yeah, parang they didn't know what hit them. Kumbaga sa ano ba tumama sa ating bagyo.
Ginebra, yung bagyo.
Alam mo, talagang quiet ang crowd ng Ginebra kanina rito. They were nowhere in the ball game. But they didn't give up. And, you know, kita-kita natin lumabas tayo sa vintage sa light side dyan. Nagsisigaw si Caulfield. Guys, we just played good first 5 minutes. And the first 5 minutes they played like we can make it. Hinalikan pa rin Caulfield si Locksin.
Ayun, hinalikan na si Baldavid.
Alam niya, sino yung mga hero niya eh. Si
Alam
Locksin, saka si Baldavid. Yan ang mga hero niya.
And Caulfield nailing that shot. Eto na.
Ganado pa siya eh.
Sige, tuwa pa si Caulfield. Eto si Strothers. Tumira ng 3-point shot. Wala talaga. Dr. J, yun ang storya. Abay, malapit na. Hindi pa masip ni Alan Gaydick.
Wala nang gana si Alan.
That has been the story para sa kupunan nito. 102-93 ang ating score. Eto, matake si Noli. To put a punctuation mark on this big Ginebra win. 104-93.
Hindi pa
Will that count? Won't count. That won't count. So 104-93 ang Ginebra. Malaki ang pagkakataon. In fact, mukhang makukuha nila ang isa sa dalawang semifinal slot na nakataya dito sa ating pagtatapos ng ating taon 1996. 104-93 ang ating final score. At nagkakatuwa pa ang mga tao tuwan-tuwa sa lumalabas na si Coach Stanley Jaworski. Pagpapalik po kami.
Hindi siya naglaro.
Okay, nasa amin na po at nagkukwentuhan pa kami dito sa mga Dr. J.
Alam mo kasi kanina, we were saying, Jaworski on the way out was being cheered. He didn't play in the last 2 games he played. Alam niya, hindi na niya kailangan maglaro, no, Chino?
Hindi na kailangan sapagkat
Ginawa niya.
bumaliktad nag-concentrate sa coaching at Dr. J, what a comeback. Pero bago yan, kailangan meron kaming bibigyan ng award dito. At yung award na yan ay pupunta sa ating Gilbis Choice there. Sino, Dr. J?
I think you should give it to Noli Locsin for the effort that he started from the first Palakpakan ng tao rito. Hindi
Yan.
siguro kami nagkamali.
Oo, palagay
26
ko.
points, 10
Sobra.
rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 4 blocks, and ang pinakita ni Noli yung kanyang tapang at saka yung kanyang effort na rubbed off on his teammates.
Noli Locsin, our choice player at double-double para sa Ginebra. Ang Grande Sky High, maraming kandidato. Pero ito po ang ating Grande Sky High shot. Si Vito kanyang slam na Ginebra sa third.